Hey guys, how's it going? How to export your PayPal transaction history. Go to your PayPal website and log into your account. Click on Activity tab at the top of the page. Next, use the filters to select the date range you want for your transaction history, and click on the statements option or download for some accounts, and then select the format that you want to export: CSV, PDF, or Excel, and follow the prompts to download your transaction history. Your transaction report will then be saved to your computer in the selected format. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.